We'll guide you through how to fix your VS Code tab not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Then, navigate to the top menu and click on File and select Preferences, followed by Settings. In the Settings search bar, type Tab. You'll see various options related to tab settings. Make sure that Editor tab size is set to your preferred number of spaces, commonly 4 or 2. Also, check that Editor insert spaces is enabled if you prefer spaces over tabs for indentation. If these settings are correct and the tab key still isn't working, you should check your keyboard shortcuts. Go to File, then Preferences, and select Keyboard Shortcuts. In the search bar, type Tab. Ensure that the tab key is mapped to Tab and that there are no conflicting shortcuts that might be intercepting the tab key function. If there's a conflict, you can click on the shortcut and reassign it. Another tip is to disable any extensions that might be interfering. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon on the sidebar. Here, you can disable extensions one by one to see if any of them are causing the issue. If the problem still persists, it's a good idea to restart VS Code or your computer to ensure that changes take effect. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.